Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. So he was trying to change the turn signal bulb on this, and somehow he got the whole bulb in there. I don't know how he did that. But now we need to remove the headlight. In order to do that, we need to remove the bumper and then the headlight. So let's do this. All right guys, pop the hood. I already took off the license plate. So you need to take off this 10mm bolt right here, this one right here, and there's two other ones over here. There's one that's on top of here and one in the other corner over here, okay? That one's stuck in there. Anyway, there you go. All right, guys. Next, you got a couple of clips underneath here, and they look like that. And there's another one right over here. So take a little screwdriver and just unscrew it. And when it gets, far enough, you can just pull it out. Where's the other one? Okay. Just do the same thing on the other side, okay? Okay, next we're gonna take off these clips. There's 6 of them. And these guys, you just unscrew them. And when they get, far enough out, you just pull the whole thing out. All right, now grab the sides, and these guys, they pop out. There you go. All right, just lift the top here a little bit, and this whole thing comes out. All right, now you could unbolt your headlight. You got a 10mm bolt here, one over here, and one underneath right there, okay? All right, this whole thing should come out now. There you go. Okay, next you just have to disconnect this over here. And with this, you're just gonna press it and pull it out. Hold on. Like that. All right, we got the headlight out. Now we could get this bulb out. And it came right out. So take your bulb and put it in the socket. There's only one way it's gonna go in. Once you put it in, you twist it to lock in place. That's probably what he didn't do. He probably didn't twist it and it just came right out. So twist it, lock in place, and now you could put it back in here. Make sure this is seated all the way. There you go. And now you twist this to lock in place too. And that's it. So all that work just to do that. So we're ready to put this headlight back in. Okay, you just got to slide your headlight in place. Just make sure this part over here, this is on the bottom, slides into this part right here, okay? All right, just gonna connect this first before I throw the headlight in. Make sure you push it in place and clicks. All right, slide the headlight in place. There you go. Check all your lights, make sure they're working before you bolt this back on, okay? Okay, put on your clips. These prongs, they're all gonna go in there like that, and then you're just gonna push that in place, and that's it. Throw on your bottom clips. All right, guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.